Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. We are creating a group chat on Character AI, so let us jump straight in. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is log in or sign up. Make sure that the top right hand side of your screen looks like this. You can see that there is an account over here. Right on the left hand side, you can see that there is a create button, and here we're going to tap on create a room. So over here we are going to give our room a name. We're going to call it Deep and Dark. And once we have a name, we are now going to add some characters. If you tap in this bar over here, you can see you can add whichever characters are available, or you can go ahead and type in a character if you are knowing what the character's name is. So we've got Ghost over here, we've got a pair programmer, and let's see what else we want to put in here. Let's go ahead and put in here, let's see, Random Men in the corner. There we go. That looks appropriate. Over here, our room topic. So this basically says over here what should happen in this room. Characters will try to follow it. So basically what you want to do here is sort of set the tone for the room. So the tone over here is how to escape the room. Right, we're going to go ahead and tap on create it on the right hand side. We're just correcting the name with underscores. We're going to tap on create. We now have our room, and we can see that there is a group chat. You can go in and at the bottom you can type in a message. You can also use your microphone, and you can actually stop the chat running. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, we have now created a group chat. We'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.